Hello, class. How are you? Fine. Oh, good. Very good, class. Today we will learn counting from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Yes. Good. Let's start our lesson. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10, 10, 10. Very good. I hope you have understand. Now try it again and again. Watch the video again, again, and again. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye. I hope you have learnt it. Again, watch the video to learn more and subscribe the channel. Press notification button also. See you next. Bye-bye.